Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for clicking on today's video. Today I have a really special unboxing for you guys. It's something from Louis Vuitton, and it's something that I am so excited about. So Virgil Abloh had recently passed away, but there were a few collections that he created before he passed. One of those creations was the Spring-Summer 2022. And so it was a really iconic show. It was also a really iconic collection. Now I trawled through everything in the catalog and I came across one particular item that I really love, and so that's what I'm going to unbox with you guys today. Quite a long minute since I have actually filmed and edited and uploaded a video for you guys. Now that's because some of you might know perhaps from my previous videos, or if you follow me on Instagram, it's just been a really crazy time in my life. Unfortunately, as a lawyer, which is my day job, when is it not a crazy time, right? So recently though, it's been even a bit more crazy because I had a roommate move out, or a housemate, sorry, and then I had another housemate move in, and so there's been some big kind of things happening, and then my ceiling in my house collapsed as well. So if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that I posted that earlier this year. It was like this big gaping hole in my ceiling and it was really freaky. So finally today I have the house to myself, and I thought it'd be a really good idea to finally unbox this. I actually ordered this particular piece from the Spring-Summer 2022 collection of Louis Vuitton about a month and a half ago, maybe 2 months now, at the beginning of the year. And I waited about a month before it arrived, and then it's been sitting in my closet for another month because I haven't unboxed it on YouTube and I haven't wanted to wear it. But then recently I got invited to a Louis Vuitton event, and it was to showcase this particular collection, the Spring-Summer 2022. So I thought, you know, I've got a piece from the collection, the event is about the collection, so I kind of have to wear this particular piece that I got. So I did unbox it. I've cut the tag up, obviously, because, you know, I'm not gonna wear it to the show, to the Louis Vuitton event with the tag on. My main point for this video is actually to unbox it with you guys, of course, but also to style it, because when I was wearing it at the event, what a lot of people were telling me is that this piece is iconic. Unfortunately, I don't think people are kind of in that mindset at the moment, especially with COVID. They're a lot like, there's no events to go to, there's nowhere to like wear things, so let's not buy things that aren't practical, that aren't like kind of in like comfy clothes, right? The piece looks impractical and it looks like I can't wear it on an everyday basis, but you actually can. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to unbox it, but also I'm going to style it up in 3 different ways to show you guys how you can wear this particular piece. And hopefully that will motivate you, or that will kind of convince you or potentially influence you to maybe pull the trigger if you were thinking about something like this. If you were thinking about, you know, if you've been saving up for a little bit and you wanted to pull the trigger on something that is iconic and something that will truly last the test of time. And I don't just mean quality wise, I also mean like season-wise. This is a piece that you can 100% wear all 12 months through all 4 seasons, and it's not going to be something that you're going to be like in 5 years, oh, that is so 2022. Like this is a timeless and elegant and classic piece, and I'm going to show you why I think that. Okay, so I'm gonna stop babbling and I'm going to pick this up so I can unbox this with you guys, and I can finally put the bag away, because this bag has been sitting in the middle of my closet and it has just been taking up so much space. I have been needing to like walk around it, and you know, for those of you that have been following me for a while, you know that I've downsized my closet as well. So yes, I have a lot less space these days. Okay, look. Ready to wear, unboxing. Are we ready, guys? Oh my god, I'm so excited. Like, I haven't done an unboxing in so long because I've actually been so well behaved when it comes to luxury goods. I'm just really excited that I have this piece because I think it is beautiful. So it is ready to wear, and it came in this shopping bag, as you always do, as you always get. And this particular piece, an outerwear, so you get a garment bag. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you already know what this is. Anyways, I babble a lot. All right, guys. I don't get a box or anything. I did get an extra coat hanger, which was really sweet of my SA, because I have been investing in Louis Vuitton vintage pieces. And obviously vintage, you know, they don't come with a coat hanger. So to have an actual Louis Vuitton coat hanger for my Louis Vuitton vintage pieces is really nice. Anyways, so I am so excited to reveal this amazing jacket. I call it a hoodie, but a lot of people have corrected me and they're like, no, 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 it's a jacket because it's got a zipper. I call it a hoodie because it's got a hood. Anyways, it is this gorgeous multicolored rainbow mesh hoodie from Louis Vuitton. Yes, isn't it absolutely just so gorgeous? Oh my God, you guys. Okay, so like I said, I've already cut the label off. So the label was like on the, hanging on one of the hooks, but you can see that I have cut it and tied it back up. I never throw away these tags. I kind of like cut it and then tie it back up here. So I'm gonna take this off. And I'm going to show you this beautiful piece. Oh my God, you guys, this is so beautiful. Oh, yes. Oh, look at that. Look at this beautiful fit, you guys. Holy moly. Oh my God, this jacket, so I tried to take some photos of it to try and like capture the silhouette on my Instagram and just kind of show you guys how perfect it sits on me. And I just don't think the photos do it justice. So this just sits in an oversized fit and it's gorgeous. The way that this kind of the back like puffs out, and then the way the sleeves are also like puffing out as well. Can you see like how far out the sleeve comes? And it just, I mean, the shoulders are also wonderful as well. It kind of just like sits and drapes over you. And I just think that this is such an amazing piece, you guys. Oh my God, I mean, I would never wear the hoodie. You would never really need to wear the hood. But yeah. So it is mesh. I think the official name is multicolor mesh blouson. I think. Anyways, I think that's what it's called. But it's just basically a mesh hoodie with this beautiful multicolored LV monogram. You can see how vibrant the blue is on the back. Oh my God, it's stunning. And yes, I went with the matching eyeshadow. I think it's just so beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna run you through some details. Mesh, super duper thick. This is like 3 layers of mesh, so it's really, really thick. It will keep you so warm because it does trap heat, especially when your skin is not exposed. So if you wear a long sleeve and your skin isn't exposed, it'll trap heat. Now, for the warmer months around summer, you can still wear this. Something like me, you can wear like a singlet underneath or just even a normal t-shirt, and it will, like when the wind blows, you'll just feel it on your arms, and you know, when you have skin exposed, it's cool. It's actually quite cool. The point is, you can wear it in the warmer months and you can also wear it in the colder months as well. It is really, really surprising. And when people look at this, they're just like, oh, it's mesh, it's stiff. It's like, I don't really think this is like a everyday kind of piece. But I've worn this to the Louis Vuitton event. And then since the event, I've worn it to brunch with my family. I've worn it to dinner with my family. I've worn it to dinner with my friends. You know, like you can go anywhere. I've gone shopping in this as well. You chuck this on. I've gone to work in this. On Casual Friday, you know, I just chuck this on top of my shirt, my outfit, whatever it is that I was wearing. Boom, it just works. Some more details. You have the hood and you actually have a Velcro strap here. that you can put around your wrist, and it tightens the wrist so that it like sits. So because it's designed to be oversized, the sleeve will sit longer than your wrist. And so because of that, they've put this Velcro strap in, which then allows you to tighten it around your wrist, and it maintains that kind of like puffy sleeve look. You know, I can actually do it up, so that's another detail that I want to show you as well. There's a zip here that you just zip up, and there is also Velcro here that covers up the zip, so there's a little flap, so that way it doesn't break the monogram pattern. It keeps it very kind of like together, and you get a cropped kind of like hoodie. You get a cropped jacket, or a cropped-ish kind of look, and it sits higher up, which would go really well with a pair of like leggings or skinny jeans and boots, which I will show you. Yes, Velcro, pads, zipper. What else to show you? You can tighten the wrist. Obviously the hoodie is not removable, it is built into it. And that's about it. This beautiful, beautiful, look at that. Oh, I'm obsessed with the fluoro vibrant blue here. Ooh, it's so beautiful. And yes, so I will be right back. I'm going to change to my first outfit, and then I'll show you guys and talk you through my thinking of that. Okay, whew. Now, so with this particular look, I'm going for a more casual, a little more manly, a little bit more streety vibe, okay? To talk you through, I have just a vibrant kind of colored t-shirt. The pants, I am wearing Acne Studio jeans. Now these jeans are white to kind of contrast with the black hoodie. And these, the important thing is that these are not skinny jeans. These are actually straight leg jeans. So they go straight down my leg, the fit, the cut. And then at the bottom, I have my Nike Air Jordans. This is a very streety kind of look, right? This is a bit more streetwear, a bit more cash. And like, yeah, you can see, you can pull this hoodie off in this kind of style. And I actually wore this exact outfit, except for the shirt, to the Louis Vuitton event that I was talking about. And if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen me in this outfit already. And I think it looks fabulous. It's comfortable, it's cozy, it's warm as well. I'm actually in a bit of a sweat right now. It's warm, and yeah, like it's just amazing. So hopefully you can see, for those of my audience that are into this kind of look, you can see it works really, really well. Okay guys, so this is my first outfit. I'm back with the second outfit. Now, you can see I've got the same top on, and I've just changed the bottom half. And I wanted to do this because I want to show you how versatile this jacket is and how little it takes to really kind of change the whole look and feel and the whole aesthetic of the outfit. So this, I've gone for the same vibrant red top, and then I've gone for just some Zara pants, slim fit carrot pants. So they come and they are slim fit, so they hug my legs all the way down. And then for my shoes, I am wearing my Stuart Weitzman Janela boots. And you can see it is just a completely different look. So this is obviously more skewed to the feminine side, but it is still pretty androgynous at the end of the day. Yeah, so it's like, again, leaning towards that feminine side a little bit more. And all it took was a change of shoes and a change of pants. So yes, this jacket you can see is incredibly versatile, and it is beautiful. And for the third and final outfit, I have just a chic, casual shorts and a jacket. That's pretty much it, guys. Look at this. I mean, it is so simple. I feel so casual right now, so comfortable. So again, I've kept the same top because really with this jacket, it doesn't really matter what you wear underneath. What really changes the silhouette, what really changes the aesthetic, whether you want to lean towards the masculine side, the feminine side, or you want to go somewhere in the middle, be a bit androgynous, it doesn't matter. You just change what you're wearing on the bottom, and your pants and your shoes, and it just snazzes up the whole outfit. It changes the aesthetic completely. This one I am wearing, again, the same top, and I am wearing my I am wearing my Balmain shorts, my Balmain denim shorts, and then for shoes I'm wearing my Alexander McQueen sneakers. It's so lovely, it's so easy to wear, it's casual, you know, like this is the exact kind of look you'd see on like that casual beach girl, you know, with the sunnies on, you know, that gives that kind of vibe, right? Hopefully I've shown you that like you can wear this kind of outfit in any sorts of ways that you want. It is so versatile. And I know I said this before, but a lot of people do say, oh, I don't know that that's a right piece for me because I don't know how to wear it. But the truth is you can wear it any way you want and it will work. And that is the beauty in this. So I do truly think that this piece is super iconic from Louis Vuitton. I absolutely love this piece. And one final point as well is that this is Virgil Abloh's last collection before he passed away. For those of you that have been following me, you will know that I went on a crazy shopping spree when Virgil Abloh first launched with Louis Vuitton his SS19 collection. 3 years later, he's passed away, and now I am not so big, but I have bought this particular jacket, this iconic piece, from his final collection. So I was there at the beginning and I was there at the end, and I feel very lucky to have been part of this journey, to be part of this small piece of history with Louis Vuitton. And I would have gone crazy at this collection, but I decided to kind of pick my battles, and this one is an iconic timeless piece that I know I will love for 10, 20, 30 years to come, and it will just never go out of style as well. It's a hoodie at the end of the day. You can't go wrong with that. It's beautiful. And that's it, guys. So I hope you have enjoyed yourself. I hope that you know, you've come to this channel looking for something, and I hope you found it. Whether that's just purely eye candy, you're interested in Virgil Abloh's last collection, or maybe you just want to see what this piece looks like in person. Maybe you're just interested, you know, or maybe you wanted a real person review about this item before you go and take the plunge. Whatever it is that you're looking for, I hope that you found it.